Open a Word document. Click Page Layout. Change the margins to 2 on each side. Change the font style to Arial font size 16. Type your name. Hit Enter. Type Activity 10. Hit Enter twice. Type the following paragraph. Use tab to indent the first sentence of each paragraph. Type the list of characters under the second paragraph. Hit Enter twice. Type these characters. Hit 4. Master Yoda, Han Solo, Bata, Luke Skywalker, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Princess Leia. Bold and underline the title. The center aligns the title. Hit Enter 1. Change the line spacing on both paragraphs to 1.5 space. Leave the spacing on the list at 6. Right align the first paragraph. Justify the second paragraph. Italicize the name Han everywhere it appears in either paragraph. Highlight the list of characters. Use the numbering feature and number them. Use drag and drop or cut and paste to move Master Yoda from the top of the list to the bottom. Add a clip art picture of a comet to the right of the list of characters. But in my case, I don't have a clip art picture of comet, so I just chose the clip art near to a comet, which is telescope. Number 12, with the very last one, is use spell check and make any corrections needed. That's all. Thank you for listening.